So here is an example of how you can make a name puzzle at home using just a piece of paper and something to write with. I'm going to use a marker and I just tore a piece of paper out of a notebook. So the first thing that you're going to do is write your name. Now my first name is Allie, so I'll use my name as an example. Capital A, L, L, I, E. So on your piece of paper, you write your name. So there's my name. And then you're going to use just anything to cut with that you have, like a pair of scissors. And you're going to trim off all the extra paper that does not have your name on it. Should be pretty quick. And then you have just your name, no extra space. And the next step is to cut out each letter so that each letter has its own space. Now, if you look, all of my letters are on their own little piece of paper. So I have an A, an L, an L, an I, and an E. Okay, so that spells my name. So now we have our name puzzle, and what you're going to do is you're going to put them in the right order. Allie, that's my name. And I'm going to mix them up, mix the letters up into the wrong order. Now my letters are in the wrong order. And then you can unmix them to spell your name the right way. Allie, I know the first letter in my name is an A. I'm going to pull that down. Good, that's the first letter. L. Ooh, the next letter in my name is a L. Al, E, Allie. And I know it's A-L-L, and the next letter is an I, and then an E. And now I have spelled my name again. You can even push it together if you want. And then you can mix the letters again and fix it again as many times as you'd like. A, L, L, I, E. This will help us to practice spelling our name, and it's something that you can keep at home, and you can use it as many times as you want to practice spelling your name.